உங்க வீட்டுக்கு தங்க வாங்கணுமா? அப்போ அதுவும் பெஸ்ட் வெரைட்டிஸ் அண்ட் டிசைன்ஸ் அண்ட் வித் லேட்டஸ்ட் ஆஃபர்ஸ் அப்படின்னா வாங்க, லெட்ஸ் கோ டு Lalithaa Jewellery Mart in AADI. This store was super huge, updated with their latest jewellery designs in gold, diamond and also silver jewellery items. I explored their gold ring collections for men's, women's. They have bracelets, kada, daily wear, party wear, trendy jewellery, traditional jewellery. This shop is definitely a hub for all the jewellery needs. Definitely, I love their bangle collection and jhumki collection. Look how beautiful this jhumki is looking. அப்படியே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ளோர் போனீங்கன்னா they have great collections of diamond and silver items. Best part is Lalithaa Jewellery is running their AADI offer. Now that means for diamond purchase every carat there is ₹5,000 discount and for gold purchase ல wastage க்கு 1% less. AADI offer na இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். அது மட்டும் இல்ல, they have 11-month free flex scheme. That means after 11th month you need not pay any wastage amount. You just have to pay 3% GST. அப்போ வீட்ல கல்யாணம், birthday, gifting, for everything all you need to do is visit Lalithaa Jewellery in your nearest store. Because every piece of Lalithaa Jewellery tells us a story. Happy AADI shopping. Bye bye.